Hi, let's go into the second verse of Palehua. If you haven't learned the first verse yet, you might want to go check out the other video, all right? Now in the first verse, we ended with 2 measures of C, remember? And on the second measure of C, we played it like this. This verse ends the same way, except for right after we have to go to an F for the next part of the song. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 2, 3, and Ukavahi ke kielua o Palehua e pa mai ana kamakani ika ulu na hele ulu puni mako ike ala Palehua. Right? I know. So this is a basic way to play just the strum and be able to enjoy the mele, adding a few little extra things to it to make it easy, doable, not too complex. Okay, guys? Hope you enjoy it. Yep, Amy wrote a beautiful mele. No doubt about it. Okay, see you.